Grill.
Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side.
Blend.
Blend all the ingredients together.
Pinch.
She put a pinch of salt on her food.
Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Sift.
Sift the flour finely before adding it to the mixture.
Break.
She is breaking an egg into a bowl.
Knead.
I knead the dough for the bread.
Chop. I need to chop the tomatoes for the dish. Melt.
The ice cream is melting.
Drain.
I drain the pasta, then I share it out between 2 plates.
Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Serve.
Serve the soup with a garnish of fresh herbs.
Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Roast.
She is roasting the chicken.
Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Spread.
Please spread some butter on this slice of bread.
Fry.
She is frying a fish for dinner.
Pour.
Don't pour hot water into the glass, or it will crack.
Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Mix. Mix the dry ingredients with the wet ones to make the batter. Add.
I like to add milk to my tea.
Saute. Saute the onion for 2 minutes. Boil.
The water is boiling.
Steam.
The kettle was steaming on the stove.
Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Bake.
We are baking bread in the oven.
Saute. Saute the onions and garlic in olive oil until they are translucent. Melt. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Stir. Stir the risotto constantly to prevent it from sticking. Feel. Feel the dough to check if it's soft and elastic. Break. Please break the eggs into a bowl and whisk them. Spread. Spread the peanut butter evenly on the bread. Whip. Whip the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Layer. Layer the lasagna sheets with the meat sauce and cheese. Roll out. Roll out the dough to make thin pizza crust. Cook.
Cook the steak to your desired level of doneness.
Add. Add the spices to enhance the flavor of the dish. Boil. Boil the pasta in salted water until al dente. Taste. Taste the soup to adjust the seasoning to your liking. Bake. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 10 minutes. Steam. Steam the vegetables until they are tender. Barbecue.
Barbecue the ribs on the grill until they are charred and tender.
Chop. Chop the vegetables into small pieces for the stir-fry. Cut. Cut the cake into equal-size slices. Slice. Slice the cucumber thinly for the salad. Dice. Add the diced tomatoes to the simmering sauce. Roast. Roast the chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until it's cooked through. Drink.
Drink a glass of water while waiting for the food to cook.